Ever looked at your pad and thought, is this normal? Women everywhere are Googling things like, why is my period brown? Or what does dark red period blood mean? In this video, I'll answer some of the top 5 search questions and break down what your body might be telling you. Let's decode your cycle. Question number 1. So, why is my period blood dark brown on the first or last day of my cycle? Good question. Brown period blood is usually just oxidized blood, meaning it's old. When blood stays in the uterus longer than usual, like at the beginning or end of your period, it has more time to react with oxygen, turning it from bright red to brown or even black. This is most common on day 1 of the cycle or during the tail end when light flow occurs. It's also noted with irregular cycles like those seen with perimenopause. Iron in hemoglobin oxidizes over time, just like how blood from a scab turns dark. This is normal in most cases. But if it's accompanied by pelvic pain, odor, or lasts longer than 7 days, talk to your doctor. It could be linked to endometriosis, PCOS, or even retained tissue. Number 2, what does bright red blood mean? Another great question. Bright red is usually normal fresh blood that is flowing steadily. It means your uterine lining is shedding efficiently. It usually appears in the middle of your cycle and is a good sign of regular hormonal function and vascular health. But what if my period is always bright red and heavy? You may have an estrogen-dominant state or conditions like adenomyosis and uterine fibroids. An estrogen-dominant state causes the endometrium or uterine lining to thicken, leading to more blood volume during menstruation. If you're soaking through pads every 1 to 2 hours or passing clots larger than a quarter, speak to your provider. Number 3, why is my period blood pink? Pink blood means your period blood is mixed with cervical fluid or sometimes discharge. It's also common at the beginning or end of your cycle. It could also be caused by hormone shifts seen in postpartum and perimenopause, as well as by infections that irritate the cervix. Estrogen and progesterone help to maintain the uterine lining. Fluctuating levels could lead to thinner, lighter, or diluted color. Persistent pink spotting between periods could be ovulation bleeding, birth control side effects, or inflammation of the cervix. So be sure to consult with your doctor. Number 4, but my period looks black. Is that normal? Black period blood may look alarming, but like brown blood, it's usually just old oxidized blood. However, black discharge could point to problems like infection or retained products of conception after a miscarriage or birth. Here's a quick science note. A long retention time plus low flow can give blood that black color due to iron oxidation and hemolysis. If it smells foul, causes fever, or comes with cramps, you should definitely get checked. These are signs of infection or retained tissue. Number 5, why does my period blood look gray or have tissue in it? Gray is never normal during your period. In fact, this is likely not a period. It usually signals bacterial vaginosis, a missed miscarriage, or, in rare cases, necrotic tissue. Bacterial vaginosis is caused by an imbalance of vaginal flora, producing gray discharge with a fishy odor. Miscarriage tissue may appear gray or white and jelly-like. Urgent signs are fever, foul odor, or clotting with tissue. Call your doctor immediately. So, let's summarize what we learned. Brown is usually old blood. Bright red usually means a healthy, fresh flow. Pink usually means diluted blood due to cervical fluid, but may also imply hormonal imbalance. Black usually points to retained old blood or slow flow. And gray is not a normal period. This could likely mean infection or miscarriage. Your body is speaking through your cycle, and it's your job to listen. Check the description box below for a free period color chart and our affiliate hormone supporting supplements. Subscribe to HerCycleTalks with Dr. Ku for more answers to the questions you might be afraid to ask. And hey, comment below. What color have you seen on your pad lately that surprised you?